I've got everything hung up. Don't normally hang my bag up like a lot of people do, but I decided to do so. Simple plough point, bit adapted. Take you around. Look at the space in that, really good. Even got a little hanger. Let me show you these actually. So I got these from, you probably get them online or whatever, but I got these from Anglers Direct. I've got a chair to show you later. So yeah, I think we've got chicken casserole later, which should be good. Should be a nice little one. The weather's beautiful. It's a beautiful April time, but you could mistake it for early May. The way the weather is, it's beautiful. There's a little tiny breeze, but not you'd know, but fantastic. So what I'd suggest is you watch this right the way through and see what we get up to. Yep, you know it, Andy. I keep saying, get a bag second and get a chair next. Well, I had to do it the wrong way round, but there we go. I finally got one. Got that from Anglers Direct. Probably get one cheaper online, but it's good quality. Job's a good one. Ah, my view. Oh dear. I love this time of year. So I did this earlier on. I just trimmed the bottom of that. Bushcraft improvisation, and then from Anglers Direct, I'll say you probably get one online. Just put that around there, and what I'll do at night is put my head torch hanging on there or whatever. So just having a wander around, and you look at these and you just see dead wood on the floor, and you're thinking nothing of it, and you've got the punk wood that you can use and dry out and put in, like in your tin and you can use for embers. But little tip you were saying, weren't you?
Yeah.
So one of the guys was saying that when you see stuff like this, it's probably the best place to get fat wood instead of off the trees, because this is just dead fall there, and they cut that, and look at that. That's epic.
You know, because the tree's
Yeah.
so dead, everything's
And
drawn
it's
down,
easier,
everything.
isn't it?
Yeah.
It's easier.
You don't have to climb anywhere, you don't have to reach up. Yeah, it's just
Fantastic. Right. Okay.
Record while I do it.
I'm recording as it is. Here we are, drone. Start droning on. Huh.
Right, you ready?
Yep.
Put it to your face. Lift it up so you can see your face.
3, 2, unable to take off. Aircraft in motion.
Put it so you can know. So you got that anyway. So that can see your face. There you go.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Gonna follow me around like a bad smell now.
Turn around.
Did he recognise my face earlier?
Yeah.
Is it waiting for me to move? Here we go. I'm being followed. Follow me. I stop, it stops. Go!
Landing.
This is Laurie learning to fly.
Landing. Landing.
Follow me now. It's stand still and it follows you. So it follows everywhere.
So, that was the fat wood from earlier on. Just sat round the fire having a talk. That chair's quite nice, it's good, comfy. The temperature's dropped a little bit, so keep going through moments of tired, not tired. It's like the weather, it's dropped a little bit now, but going up and down with motions of tired, not tired. It's unbelievable. So I've just got this that I've got from a microclimate, and I'm going to fold it up. Yeah, any cloth like this is handy to have, as you can just get it from places like Boys or whatever and just trim it down and it does the job. If you look up that way, got like a little area there, and if you look up that way, you've got a little area there. There we go, nice and comfy. Catch you in a bit. Having a kip. Chicken casserole. Very tasty. So we've got a second fire, and we're just burning, what is it, a wood reel on it? Like a cable reel. Yeah. Cable reel. Yes, a reel. That's it. I said it right. Mixing my words up. That's before a drink. So it's beer tree time again. So today we have a mixture of beers from Holland and beers from the Balkans. So, you know it, it's beer tree time. Why I've got a stick? Why not? So I can point out some beers. Right. New England Pale Ale, Hugo Session IPA, Luz Club or something, Nightmare, Bird of Prey, Full of Beans. I'm full of beans. Well, anti-beans. Because if I had beans, you'd know I'd be farting. So I'm not bad beans, but I'm full of beans, if I have that. and just a pale ale. Which one to choose? I don't know. Ugo. Here we go. Ugo session. 4%. It's a baby. It's a baby. Is it a sipper or is it a slurper? It's frothy, whatever it is. I was thirsty. Ooh. Definite slurper. It's quite weak, but it's drinkable. Very, very drinkable, actually. There we go. Hugo. Not Hugo Bus, but Hugo Beer. Oh yes, Andy. Thanks for watching the Beer Tree. You know it. You know it. Come again. And see my friend, the Beer Tree. Okay, it's morning time. Had a good night's sleep. Fantastic. And it's a lovely day. Look at that. Beautiful sky. So then, I'm going to get off. I hope you like that one. I certainly did. And last night was absolutely cracking. Just about 9 cans, maybe. Actually, probably, yeah, about 9 cans. So that was alright. But not just the beer, is it? It's the chill, it's the company. Anyway, catch you again, Andy.